In chapter tangents and secants, in exercise 9.3, so far we completed first and second problems. Now see the third problem. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 150 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. See, this is a rough diagram. So this is the blades and its length is given 25 centimeters. So this is 25 and this is also 25. Both are same 25. And the angle made here is 115 degrees. So here the angle is 150 degrees. The angle is 115 degrees. So both the angles. So we have to find out the area cleaned by each blade. So observe, it is in the form of a sector. It is in the form of a sector. See, so this is a form of a sector. It is a form of a sector, and the area cleaned is, this is the complete area cleaned by the, this is the complete area. So both are in the form of a sector. So we have to find out the area of the sectors. Both the areas, both are same. We have to find out the area of the sectors. See, write the given data. So given first length of the blade. Here this is the length of the blade is given. Length of the each blade or length of the blade is given 25 centimeters. So this is nothing but the radius of the sector. So this is nothing but the radius of the sector. All these are the same. So this is, and this blade all are same 25 centimeters. So this is equal to radius r of the sector. And next angle is given x degrees. The angle x degrees is given 115 degrees. So we have to find out the complete, find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. So required area equal to two times, because both are same. So find the area of the one sector and multiply with 2. So 2 times area of the sector. 2 times area of the sector. So 2 into, so what is the formula of area of the sector? Area of the sector formula, x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. X degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Now substitute. First 2 into x value 115 degrees. It is given 115 by 360 into pi value. Take pi value 22 by 7. It is given in the question. So 22 by 7 into r square. R means radius. That is nothing but length of the blade means 25 into 25. R square means r into r 25 square. R right 25 into 25. Now multiply 2 into 115. 2 into 115 degrees is equal to 230 degrees by 360 degrees into 22 by 7 as it is. Now 25 into 25. 25 square value 625. 25 square value 625 is equal to, now cancel 0 and cancel here 2 11s are, next 2 18s are. So 23 by 18 into 11 by 7 into 625 into 625. Now this complete value, if you calculate the complete value, it is equal to 1254.96 centimeter square, or approximately it is equal to 1255 centimeter square. So the area the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades is equal to 1255 centimeter square. Now see fourth question. It is important in exam point of view, and in this model problems also important in exam point of view. Find the area of the shaded region in the adjacent figure, where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter and semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as a diameter. See, ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter and the semicircles drawn each side of the square. So total how many semicircles are drawn? 4 semicircles are drawn, because the square has 4 sides, and observe the 4 semicircles here. I denote with the different colors. The first one is here the yellow color semicircle AD, and the orange color semicircle with its diameter AB, and the pink color semicircle, its diameter is BC, and the blue color semicircle, its diameter is CD. So these are the 4 semicircles are drawn, 4 sides of the square. Find the area of the shaded region. You have to find out the area of this shaded region. So what is the radius of the semicircle? Yes, the radius of the semicircle is 5 centimeters, because complete length is 10, then it is divided into 2 parts. The diameter is 10, then the radius is 5. So write the given data. The solution: given ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeters. It is given the side of the square is 10 centimeters. Then radius of each semicircle, are equal to 5 centimeters. Now we have to find out the area of this shaded portion. Now write in simple one word: required area. Required area is equal to, now formula, the simple formula for this: 4 into the 4 semicircles. So 4 into area of semicircle, 4 times area of semicircle minus area of square ABCD. Area of square ABCD. See once again, the required area means area of the shaded portion is equal to 4 times area of the semicircles, 4 into area of the semicircle minus area of the square ABCD. So write 4 into, so area of the semicircle. So what is the formula of area of semicircle? Area of circle formula pi r square. Area of circle formula pi r square. Semicircle means half of the area, so by 2. Semicircle means half of the area, by 2, minus area of a square. Area of a square formula a square, side into side, or s into s, a into a square, all are same. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 into, now take pi value 3.14, it is given in the question. R means radius are equal to 5, r square means 5 square minus a square means side of the square, that is 10, so 10 square. Now multiply 2 into 3.14 into 5 square value 25 minus 10 square value 100. Now write 2 into 25. First multiply 2 into 25. 2 into 25 value 50 into 3.14 minus 100. Now 50 into 3.14. 50 into 3.14 value 157. 50 into 3.14 value 157 minus 100. So 157 minus 100 equal to 57 centimeter square. 57 centimeter square. So the area of the shaded portion equal to 57 centimeter square. Now see fifth problem. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure. If ABCD is a square of side 7 centimeter and APD and BPC are the semicircles, and use pi as 22 by 7. See, ABCD is a square of side 7 centimeters, APD and BPC, the left side is APD and the right side is BPC, are the two semicircles touch each other at a point P. Then we have to find out area of the shaded portion. Observe here the pink color shaded portion area we have to find out. So first write the given data and observe one more thing. The length of the side, the length of the square is 7 centimeters. Then same here it is the diameter of the semicircle is also same 7. The radius of the semicircle is 7 by 2, half of the diameter. Complete diameter is 7. Radius means half of the diameter, 7 by 2. So write the given data. Solution. Given ABCD is a square of side A equal to 7 centimeters. A equal to 7 centimeters. Radius of semicircles. Radius of semicircles are equal to half of the side 7 by 2 centimeter. So we want to find the area of the shaded portion. Means right here the required area. The simple one word required area equal to area of the square, complete square, minus area of the two semicircles. Area of square ABCD, area of the square ABCD minus 2 times area of semicircle. Area of semicircles, 2 times the area of the semicircles. So area of the square formula A square or S square minus 2 into area of the semicircle. Just now we calculated the area of the semicircle formula, pi r square by 2, half of the area of the circle. So 2 get cancelled. Now substitute the values. A means the side of the square 7 square minus pi, take pi value 22 by 7, it is given in the question. R means radius of the semicircle, 7 by 2, square means 7 by 2, multiply 2 times. Now 7 square value 49 minus, see cancellation, 7 cancel, 2 ones are 2 11s are 2 ones are 2 11s are. So numerator value is 11 into 7. Numerator's value 11 into 7 is 77 by denominator value only 2. Denominator value only 2. It is equal to 49 minus 77 by 2. 77 by 2 value 38.5. 38.5. Now subtract 49 minus 38.5. 49 minus 38.5 value is 10.5 centimeter square. 10.5 centimeter square. So area of the shaded portion equal to 10.5 centimeter square.